So in this video, you'll learn how to restore deleted voice recordings on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36, or A26. So the first step when it comes to restoring any deleted voice recordings is to simply open the voice recorder app. From here, you want to tap on this Hamburger menu icon, which is these 4 lines, and then you want to select the option Recycle Bin. From here, you can see any of the deleted voice recordings within the last 30 days. So look for the voice recording that you wish to restore, and then just tap on Edit, and then select the voice recording or recordings that you wish to restore. Once you've selected them, just tap on Restore, and then you can see this option, Recordings Restored. So now, if you ever navigate back to the recordings section of your phone, you should see all the deleted recordings have been successfully restored onto your device, and you can go ahead and continue listening, transcribing, or even sharing them with your friends. And so that's how you can restore any deleted recordings on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.